Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you two ways to find your Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 computer with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. This first method only works if you are connected to the network you want to check the password of. So on your keyboard, what you want to do is press the Windows key and I. This takes you to the settings page. Now click Network and Internet. Scroll down to Advanced Network Settings, then click this. On this page, next to your network name, you want to click this. Yours may be different depending on the name of your network. Now on this page, click this and click the Security tab. Now under here, you see the Wi-Fi password. If you click this checkbox here, the Wi-Fi password will then be visible. This second method allows you to see the password of any network you have previously connected to on your system. So what you want to do is click the Windows icon, then type CMD for command prompt. Now click Run as administrator. In the command prompt, type in netsh, then hit enter. Now type WLAN show profile, then hit enter. Ensure that you pay attention to the spacing. Now we see a list of all the networks this computer has connected to. So once you locate the network you want to check the password of, type in the following command, ensuring that you pay attention to all spaces and quotes. Hit enter. Under security settings, on key content, here you see the network password. You can repeat this method with any other network that this device has connected to. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.